Hospitals locally are preparing for an imminent wave of hospitalizations coming from the rapidly spreading Omicron variant. But recent guidance for hospitals significantly decreases the time that infected healthcare workers can spend away from work. 17's Christian Galeno in studio now with more. Christian?
Yeah, well, hospitals already are feeling the strain. Emergency rooms and urgent care centers are flooding with COVID-19 patients. And under new state guidance and in order to prevent further staff shortages, asymptomatic workers who test positive could return to work in no time at all.
What are we going to do different?
That's one of the many questions hospitals are asking as they prepare to combat the next wave of hospitalizations. But there's one pressing question they must ask when faced with no staff to fight this battle.
In other words, if I have right now an employee or healthcare workers who are very essential and they test COVID positive, but they are not symptomatic, would I allow them to work? And in a crisis situation, the answer is yes.
On January 8th, California Department of Public Health issued guidance for hospital workers that test positive, allowing vaccinated asymptomatic workers to return without isolation or testing.
There are a lot more people getting sick much quicker and being out with COVID. During this current surge, we really started noticing it just after the holidays.
PPE like N95 masks are required to be used in order for workers to return to work. Guidance from the state places trust in the vaccine's effectiveness, as unvaccinated workers who test positive must isolate for up to 10 days and test negative before returning to work.
Severity of the illness is not as significant and it doesn't last as long. So we're noticing that the viral load is dropping quicker.
Now, again, this is a temporary change in the guidance due to expire on February the 1st. Meantime, Kern County is nearing critical hospital capacity, and this practice might be placed in motion sooner rather than later. In studio, Christian Galeno, 17 News.